This old guy DIY video has to do with the process to tighten up the handle on an Anderson storm door. A hot chick that I know has these storm doors. The house is about 30 years old, and when she grabs the handle it wiggles like that, so she asked me to fix it. I'd never done this before, so I started on this side. Basically, you remove this screw, remove that screw on the bottom, then when you get the handle off it looks like this. And these two little Phillips head screws are the things that hold that handle tight to the backing plate. So all I did is use a Phillips head screwdriver. I tighten those screws up, I'll put the thing back on. And it's just a matter of holding it in place, putting the two screws in, and it'll be good as new. Since I had the handle mostly apart and I didn't want to come back and do this again, I just separated the pieces. I'm going to get some Loctite, throw it on here, just the blue Loctite, and then when I tighten it up, it should last for another 30 years and nobody will ever have to touch it. I've always thought it's interesting that they put blue Loctite in a red container.